Mornings, my friends. My name is Dany Perez, Senior Trader and Co-founder of NDC Trading Academy, and today we're going to see the pre-market analysis for the future of the S&P 500. Good mornings, my friends. Here we are seeing a chart with a little bit more, with a daily chart, I'm sorry, and here we have in an area when we have a lot of indecision. Here we have a resistance that it's very, very important to the market. It is and the market is not able to pass it, and that's something important because right now just the market is eager to know what the president of the Federal Reserve is going to say. Something important that is that the market is just expecting that what is going to happen about the monetary policy, about the interest rates. And that's something important because the market is just eager to know if the Fed is going to reduce the interest rates. That's something like the stimulus. That's something important, and because the market is just seeing that the recession probably is going to come. That's something that in order to avoid that recession, if we see here a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see a lot of things. The first one is that the market here has like a compression. Here is the resistance area when there is a lot of sellers. And something important that you need to have in count here is that the market always does this important movement to the downside. Okay, when the market reaches this resistance, it's consolidated a little bit, and then boom, a strong movement to the downside. That means that here we are going to be, or we are in between areas that we need to wait and see, because we have a strong movement to the downside and to the upside also. That means that today probably we are going to have a lot of movement of that style because we are just waiting or with expectation, okay, at what he is going to set the chairman of the Federal Reserve. If the market is able to pass probably to the downside, probably we are going to reach the price 28.80, and if the market is able to pass, probably we are going to reach the price 28.63. But if the market is able to pass this important area and the price 29.45, probably we are going to reach the price 29.68. Okay, that means that today we are expecting that we are going to have a strong movement because we have a lot of uncertainty what is going to set the president of the Federal Reserve. Here we are, and we are seeing a chart with a little bit more detail. We're able to see that here we have the consolidation area, okay, and we need to see and wait and see that if the market is able to pass this important area. But here we have a strong support area when we have a lot of phobos, okay, in that area, okay. Well, my friend, today we need to have a lot of patience. We need to see at 10 a.m. okay, that we are going to have the news about the Powell. Jerome Powell is going to speak in this symposium in Jackson Hole in Wyoming. That is a meeting that has a lot of economic experts, and that meeting is an annual meeting, okay? And all the market is just expecting that what he is going to say, the president of the Federal Reserve. And remember, tomorrow is going to be the G7 meeting. The G7 meeting is a meeting about the prime ministers, about financial prime ministers, and all the chairman of the central banks of Canada, United States, Japan, UK, France, Germany. Okay, that's something very important because probably the topics that they are going to discuss are the trade war, okay, probably cryptocurrencies, and all about recession, the global recession, okay? That means that today we need to have a lot of patience. We need to learn a lot about the movement that we are going to have today because of the President Jerome Powell, what he's going to say. And probably all the traders and the investors are just expecting what he's going to say in order to take a decision, okay? Today we need to have a lot of patience, okay? Well, my friend, I'm Dany Perez, Senior Trader and Co-founder of NDC Trading Academy. And if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to write us because we are going to be eager to talk with you about trading. Our email is info@mdctradingacademy.com. My friend, hope to have a very good weekend and see you next Monday.